Today we will be unboxing our Manta Plus multiprobe from Eureka. When you open the box, the first thing you will see is the field cable and the quick start guide. Remove the foam, cable, and quick start guide and lift the tab. Now you see the sonde and accessory boxes. Depending on configuration of equipment, the enclosed accessories may vary. All instruments will come with a storage cup, with lid, a weighted sensor guard, a quick reference guide, a USB drive, a toolkit, a grease packet for O-rings, a serial to USB adapter, and for instruments with a reference electrode, a small bottle of electrolyte solution. Now you're ready to load software and get set up. Make sure to look for other videos by Eureka Water Probes. Thanks for watching.